Good morning, my all-day class 11th students. As in the previous video of this chapter, account for non-profit organization, we have discussed the theory part of this chapter. Now we will discuss the accounting treatment. First of all, I have already told you that first of all we will make receipt and payment account. Receipt and payment account. So before starting that, let us discuss something about receipt and payment account. This account is merely a summary of transactions appearing in the cash book. According to William Pickles, receipt payment account is nothing more than a summary of cash book. Receipt payment account is like a summary of cash book. Means every type of cash related transactions will be written in it. Okay. Cash and bank transactions over a certain period, analyzed and classified under suitable heading. It is the form of account most commonly adopted by the treasurers of societies, clubs, association, etc. Means mainly non-profit organizations prepare this. That I know, that we know. As such, receipt payment account is prepared at the end of every year from the cash book. All receipt and payment which are entered in cash book are also entered in the receipt and payment account. In the summary form of in a summary, if we have received donation from many people, we will just put a single heading donation and all the things will be written there. If we have paid salary to 50 employees, we will just sum up them and the summary amount will be transferred to payment at the head of in the head of salaries. Okay, so this type of summary. Some features, nature of account. It is a real account. It is a real account. Receipt payment is a summary of cash account and cash account is real account, so it will also be a real account. It is starts from the opening balance and of cash and bank, means the opening balance of cash and bank will be written in the receipt side to balance BD. Items recorded on the debit side. Debit side means receipt side. All types of incomes and gains, either capital or revenue, everything will be mentioned there. Credit side, all types of cash payments, either capital or revenue or from current year or previous year or prepaid, everything will be mentioned here. Closing balance of cash and bank shows in the credit side. Non-cash items are not recorded in this account, means depreciation, outstanding something will not be written here. Purpose, this account does not tell us whether the current income exceeds the expenditure or not, or vice versa. It merely shows the closing balance of cash. It shows the closing balance of cash and bank. Okay. Now, let's move further. Now, just see the difference between receipt payment account and cash account or cash book. Basis. It is prepared on the basis of cash book. It is prepared on the basis of cash received and cash paid. Period. It is prepared at the end of accounting year. In other words, it is a summary of cash book and it is prepared on the daily basis. Part of double entry system. It is merely a summary of cash book. It is not deemed to be a part of double entry system, but it is cash book is the part of double entry system. Debit and credit sales. It has receipt and payment sides instead of debit and credit, but in cash book there is debit and credit. Okay. Ledger folio columns. It has no ledger folio column, but it has ledger folio column. Institutions, it is prepared by non-profit organization and cash book is prepared by the profit-making organization. So this is it for today, and we will discuss the practical problems in the upcoming videos. Let's do one practical problem in this video and we will discuss income and expenditure from the upcoming videos. First of all, cash in hand. The format of receipt payment account will be receipt amount, payment and amount. In receipt side, we will write opening balance of cash or bank, then any type of income, any type of receipt. Okay, and all the payments will be done on the credit side. Means all the outflow of cash will be written in the credit side or in the payment head. So this will be on the receipt side, this will be on the receipt side, donation received, receipt side, donation received from pavilion, receipt side, investment purchase, payment, purchase of refreshment, payment, rent paid, payment. Okay. Entrance fee received, receipt side, name to secretary, payment, interest on investment, receipt, furniture purchase, payment, sale of old furniture, receipt, for material purchase, payment, sale of refreshment, receipt, salary wages, payment, sport expenses, payment, including unpaid expenses. Unpaid expenses will be minus. Cash in hand, clothing balance, payment side, depreciation will not be treated. Okay. Depreciation will not be treated. So, to balance BD, opening balance, everything which we have discussed. Okay, at last we will do the balance and the balancing figure will go into bank balance. So this is it for today. We will discuss the income and expenditure account in the upcoming video. Till then, bye bye student. Keep practicing our account, and if you find any doubt and any difficulty, you can ask. I will be there to help you all in all your needs. Bye bye student.